Welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to the beautiful Fusion Resort. Well, look at this. There's a fire pit over there. A nice football court. The ocean is very rough because of the storm the other day. But yeah, this is the 5-bedroom villa. This is not what we're gonna film today. I'm gonna show you, of course, this is a walking channel. I will show you the resort of Fusion in Da Nang. Fusion Hotel, Resort and Spa in Da Nang. Looks very nice here, guys. This is one of my favorite places ever. All right, I just got a tour again. And I had breakfast. Oh, beautiful breakfast. Oh, thank you so much, Mario, for inviting me for the breakfast. It was very nice. I'm gonna close this. Okay. Then we're gonna take a stroll now. It is beautiful weather now. We also have almost blue sky. Over there it's blue. I'm gonna show you now the facilities here in the Fusion. So this is the whole place. Looks beautiful. When you come to Da Nang, you will always see this building. Just look to the right when you land. Yeah, this is Fusion, the beach part. It is so calm and relaxing here. I've stayed in the Fusion. It's beautiful. And the breakfast is fantastic, my God. Oh, it's so bad for my diet, but I did not go overboard. Here you can rent out some paddle boards, life vests, and yeah, those are the sunbeds over there. Beautiful. And you got some Instagrammable I Love Fusion sign over there. There are showers over here. Very zen the place, but also very modern. So I love Furama as well. But Furama is very classic. Classic, old school. Beautiful. Great quality too. But if you like it modern, this is the place, guys. Modern. You are right in between Da Nang and Hoi An. But everything is Da Nang now. But just to understand where you are 10-15 minutes away from Da Nang, or $4 with the Grab, and the same goes to Hoi An, to the old town of Hoi An. This is the beautiful view here. It is nice and warm now. You have 2 infinity pools in a row. You got beautiful Instagrammable hammocks, a little bit of playground here, beautiful grass. Yeah, this is amazing. I love Fusion. Yes, indeed. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, guys. I will definitely do my live stream for my birthday. It's gonna be very interesting, guys. So here we have also the beach club and the restaurant. I had dinner here. I can also link the video I did about the Fusion. I think it was last year or so. I did the Fusion review from my hotel room, and I reviewed some suites and penthouses and 2 or 3 villas, I believe. This is the restaurant here. I did a video about that. I had a seafood platter. Yeah, now we're gonna go walk around the neighborhood here. Those are also all villas here. 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom, and 5 bedroom. Maybe also 4. Beautiful. The interior and everything is just on point. You can see here the beach beds are probably more comfortable than a few beds in Da Nang. Oh, it's beautiful. Those are the restrooms. Very stylish. Yeah, this is how it looks. Beautiful. Very nice. I don't want to film them, so we'll walk here and show you this. Yeah, those look very comfortable. I think I've been there one time. This is the breakfast area where I just had breakfast. Very good. They have so much different cuisines all around the world, and everything I love they have on the breakfast. You have outdoor area here as well. Lots of people in there now because it's like the main time for breakfast. And maybe I'm gonna walk over there. That's a little bit too loud. Or maybe they stopped now. Oh, this is beautiful, guys. Oh, I don't wanna. The breakfast area is very busy now. The best thing is to go early. Around 9 o'clock, it's very busy. But also, it's still, everything works out. You don't have to wait. I had a nice egg Benedict, very nicely presented. I had bacon and bankuchen, beautiful. I absolutely love it. And you also get around with the buggies all the time, or you walk. It's beautiful. I think you can walk here everywhere. The pavement is good. It is not, you cannot skate here, but you definitely have no problems walking here. This is the beautiful spa here, and it is kinda hidden. It's the hidden spa. If you are in the hotel rooms over here, you will see a huge grass, and under the grass is the spa, the hidden spa. Look at this beautiful entrance to this spa here, Maya Spa. So I did actually a video about the spa as well. I have it all filmed, so you can check out the hotel review I did here. But this is the Maya Spa. Everything very taken care of. Eye for detail everywhere. Yeah, it's fantastic. Look at this beautiful area here. Now you hear I'm not sure what it is. Can you comment below where the sound comes from? Those animals. Yeah. Very zen here. But they also have great windows, so you don't hear anything. I really enjoyed when I stayed here. I stayed in a normal hotel room with a beach view over there. Beautiful. It was nice. Check it out. Check out the video I did about that. And they also have a penthouse. I also filmed that the last time. The penthouse with a big pool. I think they have 2 penthouses there. Those are more villas here. Yeah. I'm gonna show you the lobby. Oh, the lobby looks awesome and smells good. It's like a Zen paradise here. Huh. It is not walking distance to Da Nang or anything like that, but if you want to have it quiet and nice, that's the place to be. I'm definitely gonna check out the other resorts as well. But here, oh, beautiful. Look at this. Those are the buggies. Hello. And this is the entrance, the stairs up to the lobby where we're gonna go now. The first time I came here, I was like, I really don't like this building. It looks so like an old hospital. But somehow, if you're closer, I like this beige and beautiful. Buggy loading station here. Now you can also see the hidden spa here. So from here you see it's a high building. They also have a huge pool there and sauna and everything. I have it all on my video, guys. But now from above, it just looks like a Zen place to relax. And I'm believing maybe you can even go there and relax. Not sure. Never seen anyone on there, but yeah. Now this is the lobby area here. Very zen. It's nice, beautiful, designed, smells good here. They have a coffee shop over here. biscuit. Look at this. And now here it's AC. Some board games. Xin chào. And they even have a pool table here. Isn't that awesome? You can watch some live sports, a ping pong table, a table soccer, table football. Oh God, something I cannot have now. Yeah, I'm gonna close this door here. Yeah, and those are the elevators to the rooms and to the penthouse. And now this is the entrance, guys. This is the beautiful entrance here. There we go. This is where you're gonna arrive, or you're gonna take the buggy anywhere you want. Now let's check out the street over there. I think the last time I was here, there was a plan on having like a putting green or something there. I'm not sure if that's done. I will ask. But you have beautiful green space over there. Get a parking here. And this is the entrance here, guys. They also have tennis. Yep, you heard it right. Tennis. I'm not sure if they have pickleball. Maybe we should play tennis here on my birthday. Maybe they have pickleball too. I will ask them. But yeah, that's how beautiful it looks here. Check this out. Very nice. I feel like it's more lush and green now than it was before. Got some nice cars over there. Porsche, S-classes, VinFast. Security house over here. Now, what is very interesting to many of you maybe, is the golf place. A golf. Yeah, you can play golf here. Right next door, I think it's a Sheraton if I'm not wrong. But this is the street to Da Nang, and this is the street to Hoi An. All right. Thank you so much for watching. It's a beautiful fusion. Check out this video about what I did. I did a whole review on that. So you can check it out here and subscribe here. And don't forget to like this video. See you in the next one.